Here is a quick healthy snack for those evening times when you're really hungry. So this is bajra or pearl millet, jawar or sorghum puffed rice, some red chili powder, coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, pieces of dried coconut, cashew nuts, curry leaves, peanuts, chana dal. So those who are allergic to the nuts, you can avoid them. You can add instead your pumpkin seeds or which other nuts you like or which you're not allergic to. So in a pan, pour some coconut oil, say about 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil, and put in your peanuts and slightly start roasting them on slow fire. Once these are a bit roasted, add all the other ingredients one by one, that is the cut pieces of dried coconut, the chana dal, the cashews, and then add the red chili powder and just keep stirring it for a while. Add in the bajra or pearl millet and jawar or sorghum puffed rice. This is available on Amazon. You can get it online. It's extremely healthy. So whenever you're hungry, you can just snack on these instead of eating just anything that's processed. You can go in for these healthy options. Add in your Himalayan pink salt. Add salt a bit less, so because some other ingredients do have salt in them, so just be a bit mindful while using your salt. And here is a healthy snack ready.